Let me just welcome everyone on behalf of the faculty, staff, and students of the School of Architecture and Landscape Architecture, and as Patrick has extended, welcome to the second annual International Master of Urban Design Forum. This forum and the Urban Design Program at SALA is committed to expanding and sharpening our understanding of the opportunity that design brings to effective and enduring responses to global issues. This is a constant process of reinvention, is how does what we know how to do fit into emerging and changing paradigms and issues. And this is a forum that, as Patrick also mentioned, we proudly offer in partnership with the School of Community and Regional Planning as one of the new and better ways we are both able to share and align ambitions now that we share a reporting responsibility to the Faculty of Applied Science, which has made many things like this much easier to accommodate. I would also like to offer thanks to the Urban Design Forum Planning Committee, Case Lockman and Penny Gurstein, co-chairs. Other members included Patrick Condon, Sarah Stevens, Eric Villagomez, who uniquely fills the role of an adjunct faculty member in SALA, SCARP, and representing Spacing Vancouver. Magid Senbel, Thomas Hutton, as well as Master of Urban Design Research Assistants Bonnie Vahabi, Fruz Fala, Grace Chang, and Kirsten Harrison. And also we have our first class last year has also contributed to this through graduate Manali Yadov, who is helping to continue the tradition of our students being actively involved in the organization and implementation of this. And in addition, some of you have already met some of the Urban Design Program class of 2016. They helped you register this morning, and they are in attendance, and you will see more of them as the forum progresses. Finally, and most importantly, our thanks goes to the City of Surrey for the engagement and funding of the second of a 3-year partnership with the Master of Urban Design Program. Our sincere thank you to the Mayor, Council, and staff of the City of Surrey for their support and funding, without which none of this would be possible. And with that, I would like to welcome my colleague, Director of the School of Community and Regional Planning, Penny Gurstein, to offer her thanks.
Thank you, Ron. So we at the School of Community and Regional Planning are thrilled that we're actually co-hosting this. I think that it's very timely that we start doing this. The issues that Patrick outlined are so critical that we really need a multidisciplinary sort of approach to this, and without the sort of efforts of SALA, SCARP, and now we're actually working with engineering faculties and others, nursing within the Faculty of Applied Science, we need to have that kind of interdisciplinary approach to the sort of urban planning issues that are facing us right now. It's also, as Patrick mentioned, that it's been 40 years since Habitat was here. I was actually a student and I was a volunteer at Habitat, and I remember how transformative that experience was for me. And looking back, I'm really wondering, what's happened? Where have we gone? There's been a lot that we didn't really anticipate, a lot of good things, but some things that really need significant attention right now. And so I'm really pleased that the first theme of this conference is on looking back and looking forward, reflections on the 1976 Habitat Forum. And I'm very pleased to have the first keynote speaker be John Friedman, who's going to be talking about 40 years of UN Habitat. What have we learned? John, I don't know where to start. John is he's a treasure. He's been at SCARP. We've been lucky enough to have him at SCARP since 2001. He's been an honorary professor, and he came from UCLA School of Public Affairs, where he was director and professor for a number of years. But more importantly, he sort of has written some of the most critical planning theory books that have really shaped a whole, generations now of planning academics and also practice. He has really sort of spoken for the sort of real need for civil society engagement with critical planning issues. So I'm thrilled that he's agreed to give the first keynote talk. So I'm welcome to introduce John. Thank you.